if these companies have benefited from taxpayer investments and then turned around and moved these jobs overseas, I am just really upset about that. And you should be too. One of the many reasons why I love being the energy secretary is that I get to be on the front lines of helping to create good quality American jobs. And that's why when I hear about American companies shipping their jobs overseas, it flat out ticks me off. Now, don't get me wrong, there have been so many examples of businesses that have made society-changing innovations who've created tons of new jobs and boosted American manufacturing thanks to funding from the Department of Energy. But some companies have exploited this loophole in the law. They've taken federal funding to support their work and then moved jobs, especially in manufacturing, overseas. Bottom line is, your tax dollars paid for these innovations, from battery storage to solar technologies, and they shouldn't be paying to send American jobs out of the country. So what the heck are we going to do about it? Well, the Department of Energy is using its authority under the Bayh-Dole Act, and it's strengthening U.S. manufacturing requirements for entities that receive Department of Energy R&D funding. And that means these companies are required to manufacture those U.S. funded innovations right here at home, and it's paying off. In some cases, it's already helped keep hundreds of millions of dollars of revenue here in America, which means, of course, jobs, 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 good quality American manufacturing jobs. So now we're extending all these requirements to all science and energy programs at the Department of Energy, so we can make sure that anyone who receives funding from us is using it to support jobs here in the United States. Make no mistake, this is a big deal. When President Biden took office, he made it clear that the future will be built here by American workers. And with this announcement, we're helping deliver on that commitment by creating good quality American jobs and revitalizing our economy and ensuring that your tax dollars are helping America get back to being a leader in manufacturing. So this announcement, along with the American Jobs Plan, is an investment in American workers. And it's going to put us on a path to leading the world in a clean energy transformation.